guys, the boss is coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Walk one peeps. Are we there with another? Bang! But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Happy Friday to you beautiful people. You did it. You did it. Say happy TGIF, man. If you're alive right now, let's give God thanks and stop your grumbling and your munku you. You amazing people, you. Anyway, let's get right tonight. Damion Crawford got a message for our Prime Minister. Yes, after our Prime Minister made a post or made a saying the other day all over the place, pretty much all over the place, saying that entertainment biz parties are one of the reasons why there was a spike. And it's so funny because around that time it was the general election with big sound and everything. But anyway, we could get right in on the message now.
One of the spike, the Black Lives Matter march in America contributed to a spike. The elections in America contributed. How is it that the government of Jamaica can say that the parties contribute to a spike in the holiday, but I can't say that the election contribute to a spike? How can they say the entertainment activities? Not me, the Prime Minister said that one of the reasons they are putting the Christmas under strike, under suspension, is because when they did a little freedom in the it was the emancipation, the emancipation, it led to a spike. Then how they can blame entertainment for a 2-day period and I can't blame them for a 30-day period? That's not reasonable and truthful. The other thing is, there's no scientific evidence.
When you hear that, please leave in a comment down below right now, so I can know what's going on here. 2-day event for we. 30-day campaigning for win general election. Which one is gonna contribute more to the spike? Think about it. Amari back at it again. She on the live, throwing some shades. Ah boy, make we get tonight.
We had any form of relations with Labo because Labo likes to deny the relation, but you keep telling us that the relations are there.
Well,
you and Labo had any kind of intimate relations, let it be a case of anything at all for the record of knowledge.
Well, there must be some form of relationship why I'm this upset, right?
I would think so, but you know, then sometimes when women do, so you give you the good stuff and then you take me the good stuff and you get a little mad.
Love is a very kind person, I must say that, and he will give you his heart, he give you his honest opinion, he will steer your career and he will buy you pretty things too. These people, including Ugly John, try to involve themselves in it without being... So I'm saying, rise, dirty bundle. I'm just tired of them meddling in our affairs. So the song stems from one night when a lot of them came out, a lot of females came out and attacked me on the Lava show. And it was a form of cyberbullying, trying to cancel me. And so I had to go within and gain the strength and come back with a song to say, hey, I ain't scared of you all. Rise, dirty banga.
Ah, man, I love it.
And Lava loves it.
Okay.
That Ugly John always wanted to be Amari, and even sometime when the she slips, she calls her fans goodies. Always wanted to be Amari. Watch Amari all these years. I don't mind people wanting to be me, but where they cross the line and totally take over, when I do believe that there is enough room for everyone, because I have moved on to...
Hold on there. when I hear this, when you comment, me, I say not a word. It's a baka banka ranga thing. I go on in a John shop here.
Yes. Believe it or not. Yes. For under the eyes, for the dark circles and thing under the eye, she said it worked for her. So let's try it. Right? So for under the eye. Right?
Look at this dude.
So, alright.
Oh! Oh! He needs some milk.
This is what I woke up to this morning. The owner of our microbes came for them. I put in the work and they reap the benefit. Stole all my crops in this pen. But it's alright. I just hope you guys put it to use, the person who took it, because that will be the last time.
John, you don't know if you guys living under a rock, a farmer or a man in a Trelawney make a crab farm run at the back of the yard. Gleaner even come to the man, right? The man get props and bag of things and I do a good job, you know. Man a try to flip things during the pandemic time, you know what I mean? Make a money and thing and the man thing a go on, you know what I mean? So after the man get feature and thing, next morning the man wake up, them take away 90% of the man crab. Thief 90% of the man crab. Oh, Jamaican people answer. Oh, people answer. Oh, some Jamaican people answer. Boy. Yo, Jano. Anyway, leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. I'll make you move on to the next video now. Hope you enjoyed the video and thing. Yeah. Hear my thoughts on the whole matter. Andrew Holness is blaming entertainment and two little events that they keep during the public holiday. Blaming it on a spike of the big C, as I would say, rubbish. When they had a 30-day campaign, road selector, bus pack up and everything. Nobody now wear no mask. Nothing. Something not right. Something not add up. Something not add up. You know what I mean? So, and he's saying that all of this does stem from a post he made the other day, you know, saying that boy, I'm see entertainment biz mashed down and they're trying to look into it. And he's also saying that next time that, as Damion Crawford said, them did have a little thing the other day, and when they a little leeway, and yeah man, some man broke it, some man was unruly and things like that. They call it the phase 1 for entertainment. I think it was last year and thing, and enough people broke it still. Me not telling a lie still. But Prime Minister, that didn't make no sense, bruh. Just saying, man. But anyway, moving on to the next one now. The crab farmer, you're rough a road. You're rough a road for you. Really hope them catch them people that were thief the man crab. And only two thief and two bad man. You know what I mean? Go out and try something for yourself now. You see people with them things and the man a hustle up. Where you thief the man thing for? You know what I mean? I idiot thing that. I don't rate that. But anyway, leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. I'm a friend with the pepper and the yai. I don't know where that come from. But I hope you're alright, yeah, my friend. I hope you're alright. Pepper bun you. But anyway, peeps, happy Friday once again. Me there, and just go and join with your boy.
Yeah.